In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Shopify to PayPal. If you're looking to have money from PayPal checkouts land directly in your PayPal account, the key is connecting PayPal as a payment method inside your Shopify admin. Once it's connected, any customer who chooses PayPal at checkout will pay into your PayPal account, where you can then manage those funds as you normally would in PayPal. Let's walk through it clearly. First, from your Shopify admin, head to Settings, then select Payments. This is where you control how customers pay on your store. You'll see your primary payment provider, and below that, a section called Additional Payment Methods. Find PayPal there and click the option labeled Setup Incomplete. This label simply means PayPal isn't connected yet. Next, click Complete Setup. Shopify will guide you through a short series of prompts. You'll be asked to enter your PayPal account email and provide your business details. Use the email associated with the PayPal account where you want to receive funds. If your PayPal is already set up as a business account, the process is typically quick. If not, PayPal may ask for additional information so they can enable business payments, which is necessary for accepting store orders. Follow the on-screen prompts until you see confirmation that PayPal is connected. From that point on, customers will see PayPal as an option at checkout. When they choose it, their payment is processed by PayPal, and the money is deposited into your PayPal balance, not into Shopify payments. That's an important distinction. Shopify Payments sends payouts to your bank, while PayPal orders settle in PayPal. You can then withdraw or manage those funds directly from your PayPal dashboard according to your usual PayPal preferences. A couple of helpful notes to ensure everything runs smoothly. PayPal may charge transaction fees separately from Shopify, and those fees will appear in your PayPal reports. Your order details still show up in Shopify, but the payment status and refunds for PayPal orders are handled through PayPal. Also, if you sell in multiple currencies, make sure your PayPal account is set up to accept them or to auto-convert, so payments aren't blocked. That's it. By connecting PayPal in your Shopify payment settings, you've enabled a straightforward path for customer PayPal payments to reach your PayPal account. Keep an eye on both your Shopify orders and your PayPal balance to reconcile sales, and you'll be all set to accept and access your funds with confidence.